This is gonna blow your mind. You need to hear this if you're someone who dreams of achieving greatness but doesn't know where to start. This is why you need to unleash your inner expert. You don't need to be a professional to achieve amazing things. Every great journey begins with a single step, and every expert was once a beginner. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, kayaking with friends, or running on a beach, the key is to start and keep moving forward. Anyone can excel in anything they set their mind to. It's about the passion you bring to your pursuits and the consistency with which you practice. Studying outside, practicing yoga, or tending to a garden, these activities show that dedication in any form can lead to mastery. It's not about innate talent or years of experience. It's about the joy of learning and the willingness to put in the effort. Children playing sports, a street musician performing, or a cook preparing a dish, all these people are honing their skills through practice and passion. True success comes from dedication and the right mindset. Meditation, running a marathon, or crafting a project. These activities require focus, perseverance, and a positive attitude. It's about pushing through challenges and celebrating small victories along the way. You hold the power to unlock your full potential. Imagine holding the key to your own success, opening the gate to new opportunities and witnessing the sunrise of your achievements. It's all within your reach if you believe in yourself and take action. This video will guide you on a journey of self-discovery. As you walk through the forest of your thoughts, cycle through the scenic routes of your ambitions, and explore the new cities of your potential, you'll find that the journey itself is as rewarding as the destination. You'll learn how to embrace challenges and view mistakes as opportunities. Climbing cliffs, riding waves, or navigating high ropes courses, these activities teach us that every challenge is a chance to grow, and every mistake is a lesson learned. We will explore powerful techniques to accelerate your progress. With the guidance of coaches, the support of teams, and the wisdom of mentors, you'll discover strategies that can fast-track your journey to expertise. Get ready to unleash your inner expert. As you reach the pinnacle of your goals, celebrate your achievements with the fireworks of your success and the joy of shared experiences. The journey to becoming an expert is within your grasp. Zen Buddhism emphasizes the beginner's mind. This means approaching everything with openness and curiosity, like a beginner. When we let go of preconceived notions, we open ourselves up to new possibilities. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. They don't worry about perfection or looking silly. They simply approach the task with enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. This open-minded approach leads to rapid improvement. Many people fear failure. They avoid trying new things because they are afraid of making mistakes. But imperfection is not the enemy. It's a stepping stone to success. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. When you embrace imperfection, you free yourself from the pressure to be perfect. You can then focus on consistent action and making progress towards your goals. The magic of deliberate practice. Anders Ericsson, a renowned psychologist, dedicated his career to studying expert performers in various fields, from musicians to athletes and even chess grandmasters. He discovered that talent alone didn't explain their exceptional abilities. Instead, it was their commitment to a specific type of practice that set them apart. This practice, known as deliberate practice, is not just about putting in hours. It's about how you use those hours. Deliberate practice involves stepping outside your comfort zone, pushing your limits, and constantly challenging yourself. It means focusing on specific areas for improvement, setting clear goals, and seeking feedback from mentors or coaches to refine your skills. This type of focused and intentional practice leads to faster and more significant skill development than simply repeating the same actions over and over without a clear purpose. Whether you're learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or excelling in a sport, deliberate practice is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving excellence. Finding joy in the journey. It's easy to get caught up in the end goal. We often find ourselves fixated on the destination, believing that happiness lies in achieving that final objective. But in doing so, we miss out on the beauty and lessons that the journey itself offers. True fulfillment comes from enjoying the journey. It's in those moments of laughter with friends, the peace found in nature, and the small victories along the way that we find real joy. When you focus on the process of learning and growing, you find joy in every step. Each experience, whether big or small, contributes to your personal growth and happiness. Remember, excelling isn't about being a pro. It's about the courage to start something new, the determination to keep going, and the resilience to overcome obstacles. Embrace challenges, learn from mistakes, and find joy in the process. Every stumble and fall is a step towards improvement and self-discovery. So go out there and try something new. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. The journey is where memories are made and where you truly grow. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. The joy of the journey is in the experiences, the growth, and the unexpected triumphs along the way. As we wrap up this journey of self-discovery and growth, we hope that you've found inspiration and motivation to embrace the process, celebrate the small victories, and find joy in every step you take. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey that molds us into who we are. Whether you're unleashing your inner expert, harnessing the power of a beginner's mind, embracing imperfection, practicing deliberately, or simply finding joy in the journey, every moment counts. We appreciate your time and hope you've gained valuable insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.